Ever wanted to build a fully working AI website without touching a single line of code? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using nothing but ChatGPT and Google AI Studio. By the end of this video, you'll have a live, functional, AI-powered website, and I'll show you how to actually make money from it. Let's get straight into it.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Step 1 is research. And for that, we're opening ChatGPT. We're going to ask it to help us find a solid website idea. So, we'll use this prompt. I want to create a simple but profitable AI-powered website using Google AI Studio. Suggest innovative website ideas that solve real user problems, have high demand, are easy to build, and have strong monetization potential through ads, subscriptions, and premium features. ChatGPT comes back with a handful of ideas: an AI website analyzer, an AI prompt generator, an AI study assistant, and a few others. Out of all of these, the one that stood out to me was the AI prompt generator and optimizer. It solves a problem a huge number of AI users actually have, so that's the one we're running with. Now we go back to ChatGPT and ask it to build that idea out into a full development prompt. Create a detailed prompt for idea number 1. AI prompt generator and optimizer website. ChatGPT hands us back a complete prompt covering every feature, design requirement, and functionality we'll need. Copy that. Next, open Google AI Studio. If this is your first time here, you'll land on a screen with a new app option. Click that, and you'll get a prompt box where you paste in what ChatGPT just gave you. Feel free to tweak anything here before moving on. Once it looks good, hit Build. Google AI Studio takes over from here and starts generating the site. Click the Code tab, and you can literally watch it write the entire codebase in real time. Switch over to Preview, and you'll see a few different design options it's put together. I went with the clean, white background design here. It has that modern, minimal feel, and everything's easy to read. Click Select this design, and AI Studio finishes building the full site around that layout. Once it's done, the site's ready to go. The headline reads, "Transform raw ideas into master-grade AI prompts." That's the whole point of this tool, helping people write better AI prompts fast. Below that, you'll see free and premium plans already built in, along with a prompt quality scale that shows users how strong their prompt actually is. All of that looks great, but does it actually work? Let's test it. Click Launch Free Generator, and you'll land on the main dashboard. Prompt Generator, Prompt Optimizer, Template Library, and Saved History. The template library alone is packed with ready-made prompts, each one showing how many times it's been used, so you get a sense of what's actually popular. Let's run a real test. I'll type in an idea: a young boy lost in his thoughts in a crowded place. Then, I'll pick a category. In this case, image generation, since we're targeting mid-journey. For tone, I'll go with cinematic, since I want something documentary style. I'll drop that detail into the custom options field too, then hit Generate Master Prompt. Watch what happens. That one simple sentence gets turned into a full, professional-grade prompt. But it doesn't stop there. Scroll down and you'll find an expert analysis section that breaks down the quality of your prompt and gives you specific suggestions to improve it, plus tips tailored to whichever platform you picked. Since every AI tool handles prompts differently, this is genuinely useful. It helps you get better results out of Midjourney or whatever platform you're using. Once you're happy with it, copy the prompt or download it as a TXT or JSON file. So, that's the prompt generator. Now let's check the prompt optimizer, because that's just as useful. Paste in an existing prompt, pick a category, in this case, coding, choose your platform. I went with Claude AI, and set a tone: highly detailed. Hit Optimize, and the AI rewrites your prompt based on everything you selected. What comes out the other side is noticeably sharper and more detailed than what went in, and you still get that same expert analysis and platform-specific tips afterward. Head over to Saved History, and every prompt you've generated is sitting right there, ready to reuse. At this point, this isn't just a nice-looking website, it's a fully working AI tool with real functionality. Let's talk about the Pro section for a second, because monetization is where this gets interesting. There's a subscription setup already built in, with payment and card details working exactly as we specified in our original prompt. A subscription model is a solid way to earn from a tool like this, since people who find real value in it will happily pay to unlock more. And subscriptions aren't your only option either. You can layer in Google AdSense, affiliate links, or sponsored placements on top. If you're serious about turning this into an actual business, there's real potential here. Last step, publishing. Head to the Publish tab and click Get Started. You'll see your app description already filled in, along with the app URL. Right now, it's running on the AI Studio domain, which is completely fine to launch with. Later on, if you want something more branded, you can connect a custom domain through Hostinger, GoDaddy, or any provider you like. For now, click Publish Your App. Once it's live, grab the URL and open it in a new tab to confirm everything's working. And there it is. The site is live. And every feature, the generator, the optimizer, the templates, the Pro section, all of it is working exactly as built. So, that's the entire process. ChatGPT for the research and planning, Google AI Studio for the build, and a live, monetizable AI website at the end of it. Let me know in the comments what you'd build with this method. And if this was useful, subscribe. There's a lot more AI tool breakdowns and build-along tutorials coming.